Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. It's Sunday and it is so nice outside. So I went and did a workout earlier. So before I go back in the house, I wanted to stop by Bath and Body Works because they sent me a coupon. And since Old Navy is up here, I might stop in Old Navy just to see if they have anything on sale. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. It is so nice. I might stay out here all day. This is the line at Old Navy, apparently, all the way around. I'm back in the car. So I know it's dark, but I just wanted to show you two of the items that I got from Old Navy. And the other things I'll show you once I get back in the house. But I have to drop this off to my niece, for my great niece. So I got this from Old Navy for her, and it's just a little pants set and cute little shoes. So these are the shoes. Aren't they cute? Oh, so cute, so cute. And then this is the little it's a little onesie pants set, I think. Yeah, like a little, but it's so cute because it's off the shoulder. Look, it's off the shoulder on one shoulder. How cute is that? And this is 3 to 6 months. I hope you can see that, but I thought this was so cute. And I got the shoes to go with it. Oh, it's so cute. But I'm going to drop this off to my niece right now, and then I'm going home, and hopefully I'll be able to record what I got from Bath and Body Works and then what I got from Old Navy. I only got a few things from Old Navy, and I did take a clip of the line. The line was so long, but it's so nice out here today, and then Old Navy's having a sale, so I should have known that the line would be long. But yep, that's it. So I'm headed to take this to my niece right now, and I'll see you when I get home. Hi everyone, so I'm back home, and I forgot that I was supposed to show you guys what I purchased from Bath & Body Works and Old Navy. So I'm gonna do that now. This is my Bath & Body Works bag, and then just a little bag from Old Navy. So from Bath & Body Works, they were having a 75% off of certain things, and then certain items were $3.95. I did have a $10 off $25 coupon. So I got the Mango Mandarin Fine Fragrance Mist, and this was for my daughter. She asked for this. She also asked for the Beautiful Day 24-Hour Moisture Body Lotion. I also purchased for myself the Cucumber Melon Shea and Vitamin E Shower Gel, and this smells amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. But I got that, and then I couldn't get the shower gel without the lotion, so I got the Cucumber Melon Ultra Shea Body Cream. And then I picked up a few of the hand sanitizers, and they were, I believe, 6 for $6 or 5 for $6. So I got the Watermelon Lemonade, Sunshine and Lemons, and I got 2 of the Sunshine and Lemons, and then the Cucumber Melon. I wanted more of this one, but they only had this left. And then my daughter wanted this one, the Japanese Cherry Blossom. And one more, Raspberry Lemon Sorbet. I only picked this one up because I couldn't find any more that I liked, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Not too bad. And then the last thing was just a candle, and this is a candle that I purchase all the time. This is just different packaging. This is the limoncello candle, and I keep one of these in my kitchen, and it just smells so good. So that was it from Bath & Body Works and from Old Navy. I didn't really need anything from Old Navy. I just ran in there to check out any sales they may be having. So I picked these just workout shorts. I picked them up. I just wanted another color because I have black and I have dark gray. So I just picked these up because I saw those. And this is a size medium. They were 50% off, so they were about $10. And then another random purchase was this bright yellow dress, because I'm normally a neutral girl, blacks, grays, tans, anything of that nature. So I'm trying to do more. I'm trying to incorporate more color into my wardrobe. So I saw this bright yellow colorful dress, and it was on clearance for $15.49. The regular price was $34.99. I wasn't paying that for this dress, but I think it's cute and colorful, so pick that up. And it's I don't know if you can see all that. It's just a cute little flowy dress. And that was it from Old Navy. And then I showed you in the car what else I got. I got my great niece a little outfit and some shoes. So I had already dropped that off to my niece. But that was it. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, share this video out. I hope you guys are having a great day, great evening, great morning, wherever you are. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.